Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can transfer items and issues from one repository to another on GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your repository next to your project and access also your issue. I will go with, let me go with the table view here and select this issue here, click into it. And next, guys, what you want to do is scroll down, and here in the bottom right corner, you will see this feature, transfer issue. Click into it. And after that, select the repository from the drop-down menu. As you can see, I have a second repository inside that account, so let me select it. Alternatively, you may simply use the search bar here to search for the given repository. Confirm by transferring the issue here. And now, as you can see, the issue, including the timeline, everything is being transferred to the repository. Actually, it has already been transferred to that example repository. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got something from it, and we'll catch you later.